Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings we need to find the option called I believe it's going to be display and brightness. Yeah, this one. Once you find the display and brightness option, tap on it. Here, look for the option called brightness, of course. But before you tap on brightness, as you can see, the automatic brightness is enabled by default. And if you want the brightness to stay at the level you set it to, you need to disable the automatic brightness. Once you disable the automatic brightness, you can tap on the brightness option. And here you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider or by using the crown, by rotating it basically. And once you adjust the brightness to your liking, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.